Welcome back to Smartfm 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia. Smart up your life, BPC, BPC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Okay, nice, guys. Okay, what look like or how looks like actually public speaking on your mind?
In my mind, sorry.
Yes.
About the public speaking. This is not only from the much people or many people, but this is maybe by us. That is
By TikTok.
nah. I think not
Face to face.
face to face, like you and me. As I give you information what I have in my mind. This is the public speaking. And maybe your presentation in your class, that is public speaking too.
I agree.
This is the
I agree.
a little the simple one, public speaking.
I'm agree.
You ever do in your school?
Yeah.
Start from elementary school until you
Okay.
university.
So
all
public
you
speaking
do.
actually is a come from or start from the easy or simple thing, as long as you talking in front of a few peoples.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
But no need in like a very important business. No need. It not must be like that, right?
Yeah. Right.
But as long as you talking or standing or speaking or talking or speak up in a few peoples, that we call it public speaking, right?
Yes. Right.
Like you say, just a presentation in front of the class.
We in my mind have two kind. This is informal public speaking, dan formal public speaking. There's informal is like you tell your friends about information. Okay, I have watching SpongeBob. That's really interesting. That is the public speaking too.
Really?
Yes.
How come?
Tell the information your friends. The material. Oh, I watch it in TV like this one.
What about when if you're calling your friend by video call, just face to face, that you call also with public speaking?
Just like how to make interest someone to watch what we watch the before.
Okay.
Yeah.
I need get the message.
It's really, I think it's really hard, but
Okay.
the formal.
It's not hard.
Formal public speaking, like your class presentation.
The simple things, right? Okay.
But in not informal, it's like how to you tell the information to showcase someone.
Yeah.
To
I get a point.
To what is it? To following what you say. Yeah, like just okay. You must watch SpongeBob for every Sunday. That's really interesting, guys.
Announcing someone.
Yes, no.
Right? Announcing someone.
This is a informal public speaking by maybe by face to face or.
Is that your dream job?
No. Just my dream job is be a good husband.
Okay, I see. Anyway, do you have a experience to do public speaking in specific moment, something like that? Yeah. Do you have an experience? What is that?
This is in my school. That is
Your university or school?
No, in senior high school.
Senior high school. Okay.
There is like telling us something information to opening the like a celebration from the birthday school.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
We make a party and we opening. I'm opening.
You are MC?
No. I'm not MC. Just the opening. The opening man to tell the story of the school.
Okay. How do we call that? Yeah, something like that.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. When is that? When is that?
In SMA 4 Makassar.
SMA 4 Makassar.
Yeah, this is
2000 or 1990.
What was that?
No, the year.
The year
Yes,
from
the years. That was the time. That time.
ini?
Yes.
In
you
2015.
2015.
2015. That's right.
Okay.
This is the best experience because what I must to understanding what the history from my school. Who is the make it in this place and why school in street Cakalang and until now it's really one of
memorable.
Yeah, memorable and one
Yes.
of the best school from Makassar.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. I move to you, Mala. Before I move to you, do you have experience to standing in front of public to public speaking?
I had experience when I was student of university.
Okay.
Maybe it was my first time to stand up in front of some of people, a view of people. Yeah, I was very nervous. But that's before I show my how to say.
Didn't hesitate to mix your language between Bahasa and English. Yeah, when you do not get the words.
I have to present it.
Did sell Kimpina?
Yeah, you were there.
I guess
Yeah,
it.
we were in the same ball.
It's like a flashback.
Yeah,
Right?
that was my first time.
Okay.
But when I was standing there, I was not nervous.
Really?
And it made me wanted to stand up again and again.
Wow.
And I still remember when you brought me to BPEC. It was in 2012.
Oh, giving applause.
Yeah, I really like stand up, but sometimes I don't know how to be a good public speaker. And I just learn in TikTok and some of my friends when they are
Okay.
standing. We don't need to do this. We don't need to say this. I learned some.
That's great because you're maximizing application our social media. Okay, but before we are going to continue our discussion tonight about the importance of public speaking, we will be right back after this. Stay tuned on Smartfm 101.1. The spirit of Indonesia still with BPEC.